Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. I am cutting some cast iron pipe and want to show you how to do that. And so let's take a look at some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. Love to have you subscribe to my channel so you can see all kinds of neat renovation and handyman activities. I am right in the middle of a bathroom renovation right now. And so let's get right to it. So what I'm using is I am using this Ratchet Soil Cutting tool. And I rented this from Home Depot. It was like $26 for a half a day. And so what I'm going to do is this wheel, this chain has little wheels on it, and they have sharp edges, and you put it around the pipe, and as you tighten this, it creates a stress point and breaks the cast iron. So let's get this around here. Okay. Alright, so I get the clipped on here. Get these clipped onto the chain and change my ratchet direction. Use the hand wheel, start tightening it up. And we just keep going. Right, so now that I've got it snugged on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take I have a piece of wood that's on the top up here, and I'm going to take this down. And I'm going to use this as a safety. I'm going to put this right here. So when I cut this piece doesn't inadvertently fall onto the toilet, which is sitting right in front of it. Okay, so here we go. So all we do is we just create a stress point going around this cast iron, and cast iron is very brittle. And so as we stress it, it's going to crack, and then we can remove it. That was loud. See, that's why we put this here, so that it doesn't fall out. And so what we have is we've got just a shattered ring here. And so what I do is just keep taking this down further and further. These weigh about 9 or 10 pounds per foot, so you want to take them off in small increments. Now there's other ways you could do this. You could use a reciprocating saw blade in a Sawsall kind of a tool. You could use a grinder, but definitely the tool that I just showed you how to use is definitely the easiest. So good luck on getting rid of cast iron pipes, and I'd love to again have you subscribe to my channel and see different kinds of renovation and handyman work. So thanks for watching.